Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you the difference between BatchLead versus PropStream versus Privy. So basically the purpose of BatchLead is that it tailored for real estate wholesalers and investors seeking robust lead generation, skip tracing and marketing automation. It has advanced listing stacking and segmentation, integrated skip tracing with high accuracy, and has automated SMS, email and direct mail campaigns. Driving for dollars tools with mobile app support and has comprehensive data export capabilities. BatchLead robust lead generation and segmentation tools and high accuracy in skip tracing, comprehensive marketing automation, extensive data export options. It is the strength, and the weakness of BatchLead is it has higher pricing compared to some competitors and it lacks a built-in CRM. Users appreciate its comprehensive features and accurate data through some note the learning curve and higher cost. Choose BatchLeads if you require a comprehensive platform with advanced lead generation, accurate skip tracing and robust marketing automation. While the purpose of PropStream is it has a versatile platform offering extensive property data, analytics and marketing tools for various real estate professionals. Key features of PropStream is that it has access to MLS and public records, property valuation and analysis tools, skip tracing services, direct mail and email marketing capabilities, and has mobile app for on-the-go access. Strength of PropStream is that it has extensive property data and analytics, and it has flexible pricing model and full data export capabilities. The weakness of PropStream is that it has inconsistent skip tracing accuracy, limited marketing automation, and some users report issue with data freshness and support responsiveness. PropStream valued for its extensive property data and flexible pricing, but some users report issues with skip tracing accuracy and marketing tool limitations. Choose PropStream if you need extensive property data with flexible pricing and are comfortable with manual marketing processes. While the purpose of Privy is that it is designed for investors focusing on MLS-based property analysis and comps. Key features of Privy is that it has MLS-based property data and comps, automated deal analysis, investment property search filters, and market trend insights. The strength of Privy is that it has detailed MLS-based property analysis and user-friendly comping tools and automated deal analysis. And the weakness of Privy is that it has limited marketing tools, restricted data export options, and some users report issues with data accuracy in certain regions. Privy is appreciated for its detailed MLS-based analysis and user-friendly comping tools, but users desire more robust marketing features. Consider Privy if MLS-based property analysis and detailed comping tools are your primary focus, and you can supplement marketing needs elsewhere. So basically this is the difference between BatchLead versus PropStream versus Privy. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.